Hey, what's going on in here? I said, no talking, no fraternizing. I see y'all back there. No hanging out, no beats, no music, no nothing. I ain't gonna say it again. If you're in detention, you're here for a reason. You stuck with me tonight. All right, PDO weekend. Hey, yeah. What? Yeah. Now, I'm about to go get some food from Chick-fil-A because the line ain't too long today, and I better not hit nothing when I get back.
Goodbye.
Go enjoy your Chick-fil-A, big guy.
Yo, bro, Mr. Henderson gone. We trying to dip out. You down?
Leave me alone. It caused trouble, Charlie.
You're talking to the wrong guy. Hank's a snitch. That's why he's in here in the first place.
I ain't no snitch.
Leave him alone, okay?
Y'all lame. I'm trying to dip and y'all scared.
We ain't scared, just doing our time so we can get out of here.
Hey, you can dip if you want.
I ain't dipping if no one else going.
Oh, why you scared?
Shut up. I ain't scared. I'm going places. I'm the best rapper in school.
Yeah, right. You ain't got no raps.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, man, hey, what's up? Hey, what's going on in here? I thought I said I didn't want to hear nothing. Clearly y'all having a party up in here. What's going on? Huh? Oh, y'all ain't got no answers, huh?
Yep.
What's going on, hey? Snitch? What's going on?
I don't know what you're talking about, Mr. Henderson. You was just hearing things.
Oh, y'all quiet now. I'm hearing things now. I guess so. I got you.